Saffron. 7.
Darcy. 4.
My parents, my own dad, my sister, my cat.
In England. My sister, my parents, and my cat, and my au pair.
I usually walk.
Walking.
English and French.
And German. English.
English and German.
English and German.
Well, I like gymnastics, but I also really like playing Monopoly.
Barbie.
Spaghetti and meatballs. Dolphin.
Horse, unicorn, Pegasus, alicorn, zebra, and donkey.
A lot of times.
Yes.
I want to be a teacher.
You said you wanted to be a sewer.
I didn't.
Be a prima ballerina.
Well, I like being around little children a lot. I like little children a lot.
Grindy Lane.